What's up guys, Mark Augustine here. And in this video, we're going to talk about Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping Strategy. Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping Strategy. Not Facebook Shops. This is specific to Marketplace. So like the video, subscribe, and I'll explain why. So when dropshipping on Facebook, some of you guys, or you may or may not know, some people simply find top selling items on Amazon or Walmart and try to upload as many as possible. Now the challenge with that is with Facebook Marketplace, you cannot upload thousands of items a day for two reasons. One, you'll get suspended for the type of activity, and two, just the mechanisms and how Marketplace works and how the software that's made for Marketplace works, the 2-3 pieces of software out there, you cannot upload a lot of items immediately. Now, as a consequence of not being able to upload thousands, hundreds of thousands of items immediately, you want very high selling, or the sales of the items you upload should be in high volume or velocity. That's one. So it's items that are selling regularly. Two, you want to ensure that you have keyword filled titles and the items are priced right. Now, how do you do that when Facebook doesn't give you any data on sales? Now, I personally use Zeek Analytics. I'll do some videos doing the product research and showing you guys. And I'll put a link to Zeek Analytics in the description, and there's some discount codes for like 20 and 50% off, depending on the plans. But what Zeek Analytics does, it is mainly made for eBay. So I start on eBay, I find eBay drop shippers. That means guys who are selling on eBay from Walmart, from Amazon, from Home Depot, and these places. So I find items that are selling consistently every month. I list those same items on Facebook, knowing that they're not coming from eBay, but they're coming from Walmart and these other places. The same item on Facebook, the same title, only items that are selling regularly. And you could even use the same price if you want to, because the eBay fees are usually 11 to 15% when Facebook fees are 5%. So it's already profitable. You can raise the price a bit and still get sales, but because the data that we have shows that these items sell regularly on eBay, which is a platform for people to sell to other people, that data tends to work on Facebook with the good titles, because the keyword filled titles would be using keywords that people are searching for these items. And we know that they search for these items and they sell. So you're using all of the same information but on Facebook, and a lot of the eBay listings have main images that are not stock images. So that also saves some time, so you can be unique on Facebook. So anyway, I'll go into do some videos where I go into more detail, show you guys the analytics, show you guys how to build a sellers list, show you how to snipe, and let me know how I can help you guys. Like the video, subscribe, ask me any question in the comment section, and join the groups that I have in the description so we could communicate. I could help you with anything. Peace.